Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Rebecca. Welcome back to Style My Sweets. Today I have 8 uses to share with you guys for these adorable little clay pots from Dollar Tree. So the first idea is using these as simply a toothbrush holder. I honestly feel like they're so simple that they would make a really pretty toothbrush holder for something really neutral. You could also grab some foam, styrofoam, floral foam, stick it down inside and create a candy bouquet in here. They would make a really cute like lollipop, almost like a little floral bouquet because they are a cute little planter pot, and it would just be a cute way to give a little bouquet of candy or lollipops. I also found these little glass candle holders in Dollar Tree. Now these are intended for taper candles, and you could apply some glue, something really secure. You could also add these onto the top here with some E6000 or a really strong super glue hold and just create somewhat of an elevated taper candle holder. Now another idea, I realized that if you flip this over, the top is actually a great size for a votive candle, and you could actually set this right down in the inside whether you want to add glue or not. I was gonna use them just like this. And these little votive candles here look so cute, set right in the top. It is the perfect thing to turn this into something for more of a votive candle or a little pillar candle. Even a tea light candle would fit on here. And you guys know that I love these LED candles. This one, the battery is getting a little bit low and we're in the sunlight here. So the candle may look a little bit dim, but these are so fun, and so I wanted to give away a set of them to you guys. So I wanted to give away a set of candles to you guys. Just leave me a comment down below letting me know which one of these uses for the vase is your favorite, and then also which candle you like the best, and then that's how I'll know that you wanted to enter that. So we have these little votive candles here. They come in I believe a set of 6, and then I think these are in a set of 6 also. So if you're looking for more of the taper candle style, there is this one as well. So yes, battery operated LED, they do come with timers. So I did want to just give away a little set of them to just say thank you to you guys for being here, being part of my channel, and just help you decorate around your home as well. These would also be really fun for a kid's craft idea. They can paint them. The texture on the vase, it's not like a sealed finished ceramic, so they're really easy to paint on or craft on or DIY on, and you could paint these as a cute pencil holder or even a makeup brush holder. This would be a really fun craft idea or something that you could just use to style and decorate around your home. They would even work for something like on your coffee bar if you wanted to add some spoons or straws or accessories to display in a coffee or cocoa bar. These would be perfect as well. Another thing I love doing with these is using them to propagate some of my plants, like these pothos plants. They are so easy to propagate. Add some water, stick your plants in here, and they look so finished and complete and just look beautiful styled on a bookshelf or anywhere around your home.
You can also add some little feet on this planter by simply taking some of these little wooden beads from Dollar Tree and gluing them on the bottom, and it just creates a little feet for the planter, a little riser. And one last option for this little succulent planter is using it as the base or pedestal for a little riser or tiered tray by attaching a plate on top. Dollar Tree has a whole variety of both plastic and glass plates. I have this glass one that I actually painted the bottom of, so the top would still be food safe if you did want to use this to serve any treats on it. You could also just display some little plants, some candies, some little accessories, and create a seasonal vignette on here. And I think this is also a really fun, easy DIY for just a couple of dollars.
Another fun idea with these is to just simply arrange a grouping of them to create your own centerpiece, and then style some florals in here, style some greenery in here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed these DIY little uses and craft ideas for our little Dollar Tree planter vase. These are so versatile. Let me know if you have any other ideas or how you would use them around your home. As always, I'm wishing you a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.